How do you become a lawyer? Maybe you're thinking of getting into a legal career, but you're not really too sure where to start. Well, in this video, I'm going to help you understand where to start by running through the two main ways of becoming a lawyer. So let's look through each one of them. Now, first up, we've got the solicitor route. Now, this is probably the route that most people would have heard of, and typically it's been the best known way to becoming a lawyer, and for many people, it still is a really strong option. So the first step in the solicitor route is to get a law degree from university. Now, after you've done that, you're still not qualified because you have to pass the solicitor's qualifying exam that's known as the SQE. Then after that, you complete qualifying work experience, and this is known as a training contract. And then you meet the final suitability requirements to qualify as a solicitor. Now, for many people, this is the right route, and it has been the way that lawyers have traditionally qualified for year after year. And so if you want this more traditional path, if you like the idea of following a well-established route into the profession, then becoming a solicitor by taking this route may be the most obvious option for you to explore. But the solicitor route isn't the only route into becoming a lawyer. The other route that we should talk about is CILEX. Now, this is a route that more and more people are using and becoming interested in, and it's especially helpful if you want a way into becoming a lawyer that is flexible and practical. Now, CILEX stands for the Chartered Institute of Legal Executives, and it gives you a route into becoming a lawyer through professional qualifications rather than the traditional university first model. Now, the main route to qualifying as a CILEX lawyer is through the CILEX professional qualification, and that works even if you don't have a law degree. Now, if you happen to already have a UK law degree, you can also do the CILEX graduate qualification, which fast tracks you slightly through the CPQ. Now, a difference with the solicitor route is that you qualify as a lawyer in a specific area of law, but within that area, you have the same practice rights as a solicitor. Now, the thing that makes CILEX stand out is that you can start your legal career without having to go down the standard university route first. And that's a big reason why it appeals to so many people. So if you're thinking about law, but you don't have any experience and you don't really want to commit to a university degree straight away with the tuition fees and the debt involved, and you want something that feels a bit more flexible, then CILEX could be a really attractive option for you. It's designed to let people build their knowledge and practical skills step by step. As you progress, you gain recognized statuses along the way, such as being a qualified paralegal, and that means that it can feel much more like a pathway with milestones rather than one long road with everything depending on the final step. Now, another big advantage to CILEX is that it's built around flexibility. You study alongside legal work, so you can earn as you qualify. Now, that means if you're changing career, balancing family commitments, or just looking for a route that feels more financially and practically viable, then CILEX is definitely worth looking at. And if you're interested in finding out more about CILEX, then check out our guide on how to qualify as a CILEX lawyer using the link in the description. So if you're trying to work out how to become a lawyer, the key message is this: there isn't just one route. Yes, the solicitor route is a well-known and highly respected path, but the CILEX route gives you another way to build a legal career, and for many people, it's a more flexible and accessible option. The important thing is to understand both routes and to think carefully about which one fits best for you. And if the CILEX route sounds like something you'd want to explore further, then do make sure to check out our guide by clicking the link in the description.